Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any update. Today is an exciting day because I am going for my third Sisterlock retightening appointment, and I would like to take you along with me from home to the salon and share my experience with you. So let's get started. So I'm almost set to go to the salon. Getting ready, I have to pack my bags. Before then, let me tie my hair. I love this scarf, so I'm going to tie my hair. All tied up. It's giving Sister Carol going for choir practice. Oh my god, something nice and simple, not too much, because I'm going to be sitting down for probably 5 hours or 4 if I'm lucky, and if you're very fast, maybe 3 hours, but highest is 4 to 5 hours. I don't want anything that will make me uncomfortable, so I dress very simple anytime I'm going for my reties. I don't want any uncomfortable clothing because it's going to be long to sit down. Let's go pack my tote bag. Before I head out, I like to make sure I have everything I need: water, snacks, and books. This one is coming with me. I love to take a book with me. I think there's one more thing missing. Water is in the bag, snacks. I'm going to fit. My books, my sunny board, and last but not the least, lip balm. Now I'm good to go. I'm sure I got everything. Let's hit the road. And oh, I almost forgot my sunshade. I can't do without this one. The sun is so hot, so I always take this with me. So now I am on my way to the salon. For those who don't know, Sisterlocks are a natural hair management system that allows you to take advantage of a wide range of hairstyles without having to alter the natural texture of your hair. This is my third Sisterlock retightening section, and I am really excited to see how my locks are progressing. Come with me, let's go get my retie. Let's go. I'll try to see if I can get a video inside, because I don't like to make video of people. Washing time. So this one is fast. Up to 2 hours. My Sisterlock journey, the challenge I've faced so far, and to give a 3-month update. So stay tuned. Installation process was quite long, but seeing the initial results, Custom, what do you have to meet my kitten gangster. I call her gangster. That's her name. Say hello. Ow! Don't put my hair. Say hello. 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 Yep. She's my baby girl. Mama. She's staying with me today.